Game na.
Alam na.
Ay!
Live na naman po tayo.
We are live!
Kinito. Move.
And we are playing Pipa with Kinito. We are playing Pipa. The match between FC Barcelona and Real Madrid. We are trailing 1-0.
Saka lamang po siya, Kinito.
Yes.
Lakas ng volume, Kinito.
Ay do not
Ay! Uy, paano yun? Paano ginagawa yun?
Wait for the others to arrive in the middle.
The hell?
Yeah, it's like a love pass or something, anything.
There is such a thing?
Yes. Ayan na.
Mali na naman po. Papa, Kinito. Mali na naman.
Naagaw, titira yan.
Nice save, Kinito.
Bale. Hindi na siya nakabale.
Nalimutan niya pong bumali.
Ayan na, corner kick daw. May gagawin silang kakaiba. Ayan na, oo!
2-0, Kinito!
To be champions, but they're losing.
May ginawa silang
A lot of pressure on here.
2-0, Kinito! Ano nangyayari, Kinito?
Galit na yun. Goal kicker nyo. With the headbutt. With the flying headbutt.
Parang headbutt ng sarili kong katiming. Hindi.
Let's take another look at the goal.
Sumala.
Now it's 2-0.
Umiwas tayo.
Balik natin kay Messi. Pasa. Balik kay Messi. Ay! Nag-isa lang po si Messi.
Ayan, nag-aantay na lang sila ng halftime. 45 minutes halftime na.
Ang bilis.
Malapit na.
Nakakompress yung oras.
Yes,
Okay.
dito. Yes.
Naka-quicksilver.
Yes.
Okay. Mahirap po itong larong ito, Kinito.
Ikaw na ang nagsabi.
Jordi Alba.
Balik, Kinito. Ay! Balik ulit, Kinito. Shit! Paano ko maka-score nito, Kinito? Napagod po. Umiwas po siya, Kinito. Masyadong malakas.
Takot sa dati. Ayan na, pwede ka na tirahin mo na.
Hindi niya tinira, Kinito.
Tirahin mo na.
Fail!
He felt it, but he got out of the way.
Walang nanonood. Ayaw nila ng football.
Ayaw nila ng football, Kinito.
Susunod pa.
Tsaka 2014 pa ito, Kinito.
Kasama nila si Ed
Came in with the
Dixon.
challenge and the ball broke through. Here he is with a chance.
Ayan na.
And he clear his lines now.
Yan. Yung plus 4, ibig sabihin, yung injury time out nung pinakil mo kanina.
Pedro.
Ay, pinasa niya po sa referee.
Well, they've got
Ayan na,
45
half-time
minutes
na.
left, Alan, haven't they?
Sobrang
45
bilis.
minutes in which to try and turn this around. As it stands, they won't be champions.
No, well, they haven't quite been good enough, have they, so far? Certainly not played how they have for most of this season.
So we reach
Kung magbago ng strategy, minds mo, huwag na.
Hindi na, Kinito.
Yun na yun.
I have no time for that shit.
Kick off here for the
Sa kabila na, di ba?
Kabila ka dito. O maliban na lang gusto mong isi-script.
Sa sarili kong goal.
Ayan na, nag-cross over na to. Pinasa
Pinasa
ngunit
kay...
mahigpit ang bantay.
Mahigpit po ang bantay.
Ayan
Maganda
na.
po ang pasa. Tumira! Wala na naman po, Kinito.
and saved the day. He's carried out.
Ang ganda na po ng play, Kinito.
Danger. No mistake about that.
Ano?
Malapit na siya.
Jordi Alba.
Ayan
Sergio
na.
Busquets.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Bakit umalis?
Ayan.
May turbo pa to, Kinito.
May combo.
Turbo.
Meron nga tayong screen.
This is the chance.
Yun, Kinito.
R2, parang
Arto nga, sir, Kinito.
Askinito.com.
Kinito! Askinito na ko!
Kel! Malakas.
Ang noob po natin, Kinito.
At least tumira ka. What is that? Substitution.
Lumabas po si Bale.
Yeah, hindi na siya makabal. Dalawa na lang ang substitution nila. Pinalitan siya niya. Kung sino man siya,
Ano, kaya ha?
ha?
Kaya ha?
Hindi. Kung kailan mo gusto, pero tatlo lang yung...
Entire game.
Oh. Ayan na, maliban kung may na-injured. Ayan na,
Messi.
pagkakataon.
Ayan na po si Messi!
Ay!
And got it.
Tinakel, walang foul. Walang foul.
Benzema.
Alaw, Paul!
Ayan na naman! Ayan na naman!
Mali! Kinito! Oh, Kinito, nice save!
That shot very well indeed.
Nice save by Victor Valdez! Victor Valdez nga ba?
Ganun na rin yung katunog na.
Angel Di Maria.
Ayan na,
challenge
ayan
here.
na.
Nice steal! Nice steal!
Ayan
Go,
na.
Neymar!
Ayan na.
Neymar! Neymar! Ang banu ko po maglaro.
Javi Alonso.
Ano katangahan to?
Benzema.
Ay! Ang galing po mag-dribble!
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Kinito!
Ayan
Ay,
na si Ronaldo! Ayan na!
ayan na po si
Ayan
Ronaldo!
na.
Hindi, si PK. Ay, Cristiano Ronaldo nga.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ignacio is
Ayan.
the
Katoliko Ronaldo.
on the team
Buti
that are in
na
front. Going to try and
na-intercept
keep
ni
in front
PK.
with a change here. Player
Ayan.
being brought onto the bench.
Ikaw, wala kang balak ng substitution. No, ay,
No time for substitution. Ano to?
Ayan, nasa kanila.
Ano po nangyari ginito? Ba't ganon?
Ayan, naagaw mo, takbo.
Pasa.
Possession.
Ay, puta, wasted possession nga.
Ronaldo. Modric.
Pati ang mga anak, oy, habuli.
Great chance.
Habuli yan.
Great challenge. One player who's been doing that all game.
Ba't ganun ang mga player mo?
It's
Ang
Messi.
dami po namin sa harap. Abante!
Ayan,
Pedro.
Pedro.
Penduko!
Dani Alves.
Ay, ay,
Ayan na!
ayan na! Ayan na!
He's got looking to
Love
widen the play,
pinasa.
really widen the build-up, but the ball just runs straight out.
Tumatakbo ang oras kahit
Player who's getting
nakatigil.
now knew it was coming his way.
Yellow card.
Then the
Ah,
game
siya ang
went on
yellow
for a
card.
few
Free
moments
kick.
afterwards.
Free
He's not
kick.
complaining too much. He holds up his hands.
Bakit?
Takes that
Sinaw ka niya. Ayan ang ginawa niya sa'yo. Wala siyang ginawa. Kaya siya na yun. Kaya dapat may gawin
That's
ka.
really well done. Good defending.
Ayan na. Ayan.
Xavi.
Ayan. Oo.
With Real Madrid now and Sergio Ramos.
Ang galing niya kasi.
Magaling po sila, Kinito.
Ayan. Another chance. Another chance. Another chance. Silke.
Regroup now. Set a goal kick.
9 minutes
This is
na
a key moment
lang.
for the manager. He knows he's got
Ayan,
a lead.
bumagsak.
And he's now going to do his best to try and
Eliar
retain it.
Mendy.
This show is brought to you by Bruchetta.
You can settle.
Try Bruchetta.
Ayan, uubusin na lang nila yung oras.
Pepe.
Kailangan mong mag-trap. I-trap mo na.
Paanong trap? Anong trap? Anong... Man.
Yun ay-
I-trap mo
yun
na.
ay sa teams, sa team
Pinasyon.
management. Sa muntik.
Yeah, I think the attacker just showed
Hindi,
a bit
no,
too much of the
I
ball
will
to
not
the
give up
keeper,
this
then the
fight.
engagement.
Lalong makakalbo.
Munti ka na, Kinito.
May 6 minutes ka pa.
Wala na to, Kinito.
Kaya ang
Didn't
dali.
produce the chance that they were hoping for.
Ay, nahinarangan naman ng referee. Darren.
Loko tong referee ah.
Iniskrinan.
In-screen po tayo, Kinito.
Sergio Busquets.
Ayan na, takbo.
It's Messi.
Takbo, Kinito!
Takbo.
Back! Ay, putik.
Oh, what a fight
Ayan
to
na,
stop.
Ayan, naagaw po, Kinito.
Ayan, tirahin.
Tirahin mo, Kinito.
Tirahin mo.
Sergio Ramos is the man.
Ayan, ano nangyari? Ang galing po mag-dribble. Oy, ibinabalik. Very good.
Bakot ba yun? Ayan na, allow.
Pedro.
Tira.
Ay! Lapit na, open na yun si Gagi.
Modric.
Palagi silang may dalawa.
Oy, 90 minutes na, so ibig sabihin
may
pag...
3 minutes pa. 3 minutes, injury time. Ayan na, ay.
Makaka-score po ako ng isang goal, I promise you.
Oh,
Ayan.
dear.
Ay, ano po nangyari? Naubos yung oras?
Wanted so much to win that league title. They can't do it
Boo!
now.
They invested so much effort into it over the course of the
Arboleda,
last
what the hell?
10 months, and well, it's so deflating to be in this position.
Can we get some experience? Is there an experience?
I don't think so.
Much highlights? No. They have all the highlights. Non-school game. In order, the title. Ayan. Iroke mo na lang muna, Philip, para masiyahan ka. Classic. Ayan, pili ka daw ng gusto mong pili. Philippines.
Wala bang Philippines dito?
Pascal.
Wala. Fail.
Any,
Walang Barcelona? Ah,
Liga.
Liga muna, Liga.
everybody's in the Liga. Ito ang Liga.
Liga BBVA. BBVA.
Walang nanonood. Customize.
Saan ba maglaro?
Ha?
Saan ba maglaro?
Ano, kakalabanan natin yung...
Kampi tayo? Yeah, wait lang. Tapos ka na ba?
Ha? Sige, mga... Let's customize this. Song. Ito, gusto mo, 20 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Oh no. Amateur, semi-pro, professional, world class, legendary. Legendary.
Amateur, please.
Alam ko na. Games.
Ano ba yung second wheel?
Sabihin na lang ulit tayo muna. Ano gusto mo? Game speed fast, normal slow, normal na 5 minutes, ball. Adidas Fred,
Normal na...
Eh.
like it's 5. Tagal yun. Mabilis
Four.
ka na. Gawin mo... Wala pang 10. Yan.
20 meron.
10 lang. 10 lang.
Anong gusto mo bola? Ito.
Does it matter?
The face stop.
Does it even matter?
The face stop.
Stop. Yan. Ang pangit, dude. Stop. Huwag yung EA Sports. Sige, go.
Pink!
Yeah, sige, okay yan.
De, mag-isang ano tayo, isang home tapos isang away para ma-experience natin yung ano. Okay, sandali lang.
Sige, Kinito.
Ba-
Ba customization.
Camera.
Teka lang, Kinito.
Okay.
Listen.
Listen.
Palit na tayo,
Single
Kinito.
camera.
Sabihin mo na sa akin kung kailangan gawin, Kinito.
You return to the application.
Return to the application.
Rules.
Injuries? Ano ba to? Games, general game settings.
Oh. You would like handballs to be called on fouls. Bookings. Ano kaya? Pag in-off kaya natin to lahat. Ay, sorry.
Yan.
I-off natin yung offside. Oh no, it's not realistic.
Wag yan. Okay lang yan. Ano itong handball? Ano ibig sabihin ng handball?
Pwedeng hawakan yung bola.
Ah.
Audio.
That's what you call American football.
English, French,
No! No!
Game sliders. Wag na yan. Let's see.
Okay,
For
set it to
realistic.
default.
Back. How to...
Ako na. Okay na?
Okay na. Yeah. Wait. About to study, quick study. Mali. Wrong. Back. Basic controls. Or if you want your skill moves to be...
Wag na.
Wag na.
Bahala na.
Okay.
Basic control.
Oh.
Short
Ayan.
pass. Love pass.
Square siguro yung pinipindot mo.
Hindi, X ako na X eh.
So,
Ano yung throw ball? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
kasi pagka love pass, pa-rainbow, toro pass, pa-straight lang siyang ganun.
Okay.
Parang chest pass, ano. Yung, okay, shoot, volley, header, either shoot by, yun.
Ano?
Sipain mo or uluhin mo.
Chip shot, finish shot. Ano yun?
Chip shot, parang ano lang siya, short shot lang siya. Parang for short distance.
Okay.
Or ano, parang simple shot. Yung finish shot, di parang pag ganun yung bola. Parang may ano siya. Yun. Dami pass. There are so many. There are so many movements.
There are so many moves. It's so complicated.
Oh my God, Peter.
What the hell? Be a pro. I don't wanna be a pro. Sige.
Right.
Ano na? Saan na?
Din na. Home. Kick off. Mamili tayo ng kalaban natin. Advance. Ayan. Yung anong What?
Ano?
67.
Hindi ko get. Ano nangyari? Why can't I choose Real Madrid and ano?
Wala ba yung ano? Back.
Match day.
Okay. Ayun. Rest of the world. Ano nga bang league nun? Korea, Republic, Italy, International, German, France, England, Brazil, Colombia, Chile, Brazil, Australia, Argentina, Chicago Fire, Chivas,
Wala bang Philippines UFL? United Football League.
77. Ito, Real
Ayan pa,
Madrid.
hindi. Barcelona tayo.
Baka kalig nila yun or hindi nila kalig?
Hindi yata kalig. Ayun, Barcelona FC.
Yan.
Liga Adelante.
At yung kalaban natin,
Ay si
ay yung mababa.
Real Madrid.
Rematch.
Oh, rematch.
Tapos, ayan.
Ayan mo na yan.
Choose jersey.
Teka. Hindi. Before I play that, I will wear this FC Barcelona jersey.
Buti may naka-ready ka na.
FC Barcelona jersey. Ayun. Yung kakulay ko. Teka.
We are now
wearing FC Barcelona jersey.
Tapos next game we will dayo to Real Madrid's home.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Go! Ait, goal. Oh, Real Madrid. Homie.
Rainy! Pwede na yan.
Rainy, hindi ba madulas?
Well,
I'm not feeling cold.
shooting advance.
Ay,
but
wait.
not tutorial.
How do you do this? What? Yun! Goal! Goal! Blocker. Get. Circle palang pang shoot, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Circle yung diretso.
Oh. Tapos yung...
Square yung may ano.
May-
Square yung may
may
angle, may volley.
Malapit.
Adidas. This game is brought to you by
Adidas.
Di Nieto. Danny Nieto.
Danny Denis.
Boink. Ano ba yan? Options to play na. Okay na, get ko na to.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of this
Welcome to EA Sports.
Barcelona B
Today it is
against Real
raining.
Madrid. The
It
rain
is
pouring
raining.
down today. So let's go straight to the
Friendly,
ground.
but we are not friends. It should be enemy.
Either again, everybody.
Look at the people. How do they do
it's
that?
our home. It's our home field.
Not a very pleasant day.
Walang bubong kinito. Ayan, sino yung pula?
Normally adds to the
Ako,
Ako yung pula kinito. Bakit?
Ako yung asul.
Kulay pink po yung bola kinito. Pasa kinito.
The match
Ikaw
referee,
na.
Ignacio
Ay!
Viate.
Ay, fucker. Hop, nagdi-dribble po kinito.
Nandito na ako sa may defense.
Bakit hindi pwede mag-switch ng player kinito?
X.
Control here.
Ayaw
Just in
mag-X
midfield,
kinito.
but good passing from this team.
Automatic siya.
Oh, siguro.
Pag pinasahan mo, nagiging
Player
ikaw.
working hard to stay in possession.
Pakipasa kinito. Ano nangyari?
Yellow card here.
Yellow.
Sinong may yellow card?
Karim Benzema.
Here I go! Ah! Munti ka na kinito! Munti ka na! Oh, shit! Naman, talo na naman tayo
Amateur.
kinito.
Amateur.
Amateur difficulty na ito kinito. Ano pong nangyayari?
And he's got the goal to show that.
Ah, teka. Ay, ano ba kinito? Ah, ready ka kinito ha? Ay, yan lang. Kinito, ready ka sa taas. Ay, sa baba.
The attacking third.
Pasa.
Oh,
Ay,
nakapik.
natapik po kinito.
Otherwise your teammates are going to get on
Hindi
to
ka
you if they
nagpapakita
are to hit
kinito
now.
sa camera.
Hi. Ba't bola nila? What not katapik yun?
Need to be taking a chance from there.
Ba't wala naman yatang amateur.
Wala pong amateur difficulty kinito. Ang galing po mag-dribble ni Ronaldo.
Xabi Alonso.
Wala pong nanonood ng stream.
Marcelo.
Marcelo Santos the third.
Now Marcelo's cross.
Ay, put!
And they scored again.
Ano nangyayari kinito? Paki-explain.
Made it 2-0.
What?
Bakit? Ano nangyayari? Bakit mo?
Karim Benzema.
Bakit ayaw mong palit? L1 po kinito ang pampalit ng player, Leche.
He's got space. This could be an open goal. Good work by the goalkeeper. Real Madrid get the corner.
Oh, shit.
Ano nangyari?
And nothing coming for them from the corner. Xabi Alonso.
Pasa kinito.
He's a flyer. Fantastic.
Medyo learning curve po ito kinito dahil L1 po ang pang-switch ng players.
Well, that was the hat-trick chance.
Not many times in the season you
Hat-trick
do get an
chance.
opportunity to get the match ball, but that was certainly one of them.
Ay! Sayang. Bakit mo pinasa na malayo pa bali?
May kalaban.
Ang tanga po kayo dito.
Marvellous
Nice,
tackle.
nice steal.
Oh shit. Oh,
Ayun na naman po, hat-trick na po siya.
Strongly.
Diba?
Ronaldo.
Wala pong...
Here's the chance.
Oh my God!
Way to score.
ayaw.
3-0 doon eh, ako na. Wala kalokohan to kayo dito. Ano pong difficulty to? Bakit ganito?
For Real Madrid, they're just emphasizing
Pakipasa
their
kinito.
superiority and widening the margin.
Yeah, I think so. And you look at their overall play, and they've deserved it. Well, it might look an easy goal, but you've got to be in there.
Wala kinito ba tumatras?
Time and again, he manages that.
Referee
Foul,
gives it back
Kinito.
to Real Madrid, but they play on because of his advantage. Khedira. He's got support through the middle. To stop the attack back.
Ay, grabe hirap ito.
Marcelo.
Amateur.
Xabi Alonso.
Amateur difficulty, kinito.
Opportunity here. Oh, he's going to shoot now. And there it is for Real Madrid.
Hindi na dapat hindi na.
4-0 kinito, ano ba nangyayari?
Wala pang halftime.
Wala pang halftime.
He's proving impossible to deal with by the opposition. And the score now reads 4-0.
Oy! Dani Nieto, ready ka?
Here he is with a chance. And it's out now for a goal kick.
Go kinito!
He's into the challenge. Advantage to Real Madrid. He's given the free
Oh.
kick. Tried to play the advantage, couldn't see one in the
Sino ang
end.
na-yellow card?
He's been shown
Patrick.
a yellow
Si
card.
Patrick.
I think that was a simple one actually for the ref. He was right on top of it.
They're stunned. The home supporters absolutely stunned by
Oh,
their team being so outplayed.
And they haven't seen it too often where their team has been as poor as it has been here.
Thanks, commentary.
That's a vital
That's
stop.
encouraging.
Pepe. Marcelo. What I always think about Real Madrid being my age is, of course, how much
Yeah.
quality
Dalihin
made
mo.
European football
Dalihin
come
mo
alive.
kinito.
Dangerous moment. Here's the shot. Couldn't keep it down.
Layo po kinito, sayang.
That passing is top class. He read it, cut it out. Brilliant opening. He's going to shoot.
Sayang.
And it's matched by the save. Here we'll see what they can manage from the corner.
Basta sipain mo na lang ang square. Square. Tin.
Tried to steer it in with the volley. Boy at the corner
Ganun
nearly came
ulit.
off. Not far away.
Well, I thought he'd scored there, you know. He was just action off. Well, the opposition will be
Hindi na
warned
nila
about that. They won't be able to
gaspas.
get away with that again. Pity for them, they couldn't score.
Yung nakagino.
Uy, sayang.
Benzema.
Oh, ano nangyari?
Offside against Benzema. That
Offside.
stops that attack because the flag has gone up for offside from the assistant.
Well, there was no pressure on the ball with the man, and they took a chance in pushing up, but get away with it.
The goalkeeper's got to collect the ball for a goal kick.
Triangle, triangle.
Karim Benzema.
Go, higit forward.
Good movement
Hey.
to get to it. Possession changes feet.
Takbo. Ay!
Passing 77%.
Avelar. The defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball.
Nakano sa unahan. Yun. Tas. Oh, dude.
It's way over the bar. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Patay.
In a goal, and it goes for goal.
Let it go, let it go. Takbo. Teka. Yun sa taas,
The
oh.
attacker's done well, beaten his man.
Oh! Oy! Sayang!
What's the referee going to make of this?
Yeah.
Ignacio Muniz Viate. Well, that's got to
Foul.
be red, surely.
Red card!
The manager might not be
Red
too happy when he looks at
card!
the
Red card!
remedy
Sa
argument.
fuck.
Napapahiya yung pagsusot ko naman ng jersey, oh.
Sa fuck.
4-0, man.
Xabi Alonso, top pass of this boy, and he's on the ball now. Sami Khedira. To stop the attack that.
Kasi nga ba yung game doon pag nagmura ka na technical foul? Sa NBA yata yun eh.
Oh, yeah.
Pag nagmura ka through the mic.
What?
He's got
Oo,
space.
dude. Pag nagmura ka sa microphone, shit, fuck,
The shot's
mag-ano.
off. Very good piece of blocking.
Ma-technical ka.
Just
Uy,
the heavy
nangyari.
touch, the opposition can take the ball away. Great opportunity. And he takes the shot, and then defending that, taking advantage.
Yeah, oh my God.
Get a goal like that.
Diba?
Wala na to.
Wala
dude.
nang
Teams
pag...
take advantage.
Mag-terraria na lang tayo kay Nito.
Yes, yes.
Is a wonderful achievement.
Huwag nang
Wag na to. This is very hard.